I like Instagram, I like TikTok, but I love YouTube. So if you are thinking about starting a YouTube channel, do it. Like, there's nothing to, like, what can you lose? Hi guys, it is Shae. Welcome back to my channel. So I've been seeing this trend of videos titled How YouTube Changed My Life. So I was like, let me make one because I got a story to tell too. I began watching YouTube probably around 2010 or so. And I stumbled upon it because I wanted to watch videos about natural hair because I have natural hair and I had natural hair at that time. So of course, there was a lot of videos on YouTube around that time regarding natural hair. So that was all that I watched, and I totally fell in love with the platform. I didn't post my first video until about 2019. Funny enough, I tried to post a video back when I started watching it. It was probably around 2011, 2012. I don't know, I can't remember, but for some reason it failed to upload and I never tried again. It was around that time. It wasn't as fancy as it is now. So it was literally, I had made like a PowerPoint. It was kind of like a PowerPoint presentation about my hair journey. I had locks at that time. So I was, starting my first or second lock journey around that time. So I tried to upload like some type of PowerPoint presentation slide and it didn't work, and I never tried again until 2019. So as I mentioned, first video was uploaded in 2019, and I will tell you that it's been like a game changer for me. I do videos on natural hair because that is just my thing. And that's what I love. But I also do, other videos. But natural hair has been my niche so far. But besides that, YouTube has taught me a lot in terms of being consistent, goal setting, being an inspiration to others, and also just learning a new skill such as recording and video editing. Before my YouTube journey, I didn't really have a creative outlet. I was a mom, still am a mom, but was a teacher, a wife, still am all those things, but I didn't really have any way to be creative. I love my hair. I love fashion, and I thought, why not record these things and take people on my journey? This platform by far, to me, I say in my opinion, is way better than Instagram and TikTok. I like Instagram, I like TikTok, but I love YouTube. I love YouTube. Besides the fact that YouTube will pay you eventually, they'll pay you for your talent. It's just, to me, it just feels like a safe space. I don't feel like you're bombarded with all of these other images that you see on like Instagram and TikTok. It's just, to me, it's easier to filter YouTube, but that's just my opinion. But that's a conversation for another day. Let's get back to how YouTube has changed my life. As far as goal setting goes, when I began YouTube, I had some goals in place and I have met them all. Actually, now that I think about it, I have met them all. But some of them were to, become monetized, which I just did recently. And it's been a long journey, but let me tell you, that's another thing. But then I just love YouTube. The idea that I kept being consistent and kept pushing because I knew I had a goal in mind, like that was something that made me want to be consistent and want to just reach my goals. And YouTube helped me with that. I'm not, and I can say this, there are other goals that I have set in life, like to get my master's, which I've done, or, get a bachelor's. Those are like, I've had educational goals. get married, have kids, met all of those. But then outside of that, like once I did all of that, I'm like, okay, what do I do now? Why not start on a YouTube journey? Like I was able to set goals and meet them. And if you don't understand what type of intrinsic and extrinsic reward that is, it's just, I don't know. I just love it. YouTube has also allowed me to be YouTube has also allowed me to be creative. I've always kind of looked at myself as like a creative person. Like I like to dress, I like fashion. I feel like I do pretty well with putting things together. But YouTube has opened this other creative side to me, and that's in regards to like video editing or making a thumbnail or creating a video. Did I already say that? Or video editing and creating videos? Like that's another thing that I did not know I had. And I'm all now, like YouTube is all, I'm always like thinking of, okay, what's the next video to create? How can I edit that video? So that it's opened up creative avenues that I never really knew that I had. And then also too, just learning how to edit. Like I learned a whole new program. I use Wondershare Filmora to edit my videos. Before then, I had no idea like how to edit a video. And now I've learned it, and I'm continually learning things because of course programs are always updating. So I'm continuously learning how to edit videos, how to make them look better and such, and also how to record. Like I feel like I've become better on camera. I've never been the shy person, but there is a skill to talking and getting your point across and being entertaining and being likable. So YouTube teaches you how to do those things. Finally, YouTube has allowed me to be in talks with other like-minded people, like my natural hair community, and also being an inspiration to people who have locks or natural hair. And that was the goal of starting YouTube for me. Honestly, I'm like, let me just do this journey. Let me do this natural hair lock journey. This is like my third time having locks, but let me document it this time because it may be helpful for somebody else. And that's exactly what I did. A pivotal moment with me with my YouTube journey is when I actually started getting comments and likes and thank you for sharing type of, messages and questions as well. So that's when I knew I was in the right place. That's when I knew that this journey, this YouTube journey that I was going on was the right one for me. Like I said, one of the main goals was to inspire. So when people started commenting and liking, I was like, this is it. Also, another pivotal moment is when I became monetized, which was literally just recently. And I became monetized on not even a natural hair video, but I became monetized on a video that I talked about when I did a 10-day detox. And I'll link it down below and I'll show you here. But that video pushed your girl over, and I was finally able to get the watch hours that I needed for monetization because I already had the subscribers. So that video kind of pushed me over. So I was like, you know what? Number one, thank you for, thank you that this video, number one, made a difference to a lot of people. Like people are leaving comments like, thank you, I'm about to do this detox. Thank you for leaving your honest review about it. And then also the watch time pushing me over. So after, you guys, and I think this video might be one of my ones with the most views, but after 200 plus videos, your girl finally got monetized. And let me just say this, I probably could have been monetized sooner. I could probably have a lot more subscribers than what I have now, which is currently about 2,700. But I wanted to stick to making videos that resonated with me and videos that I liked. So that's why it has taken me so long to get monetized, but that's okay with me. So to sum it all up, YouTube has really been honestly a blessing in my life. I really, really love it. I'm going to continue to make videos. It has, like I said before, taught me creativity, taught me about goal setting, taught me about being consistent. I've been an inspiration to other people, and people have been inspirations to me, and it's just been great. And then also too, it's allowed me new opportunities such as monetization, like I told you before. And then also too, having the opportunity to work with brands and like help, promote their products. That's something that I really enjoy doing as well. So if you are thinking about starting a YouTube channel, do it. Like, there's nothing to, like, what can you lose? There's nothing to lose. So do it. If you have started a channel already, tell me how it's going for you in the comments. Like, do you like it? Do you love it? Because I love it. And also give me a thumbs up on this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.